This is the electrical meter and fuse circuit within our home. That's the main line coming from the source, the electricity board. And through this cable, it's entering the electric meter given to us by the electric board. And that's the output from the electric meter. And this cable, it has two wires. One is live and neutral, and it's entering this is the master fuse. So basically the live wire, which is red in color, we split it, or we cut it, and one head goes to left side of this fuse, that means which is entering the master fuse, and the other side we connect it to the right side, that means it's coming out of the fuse. Basically this is acting as a bridge for the circuit which is entering our home. Now this cable now enters the circuit breaker or the main switch box. This is basically the main switch box, and it has we call it also circuit breaker. It has two fuses. Again, this cable, one is the black, one is neutral, the red one is the live wire. So the black one is entering one fuse, and the red one is the live one is entering the other fuse. So this completes the circuit, fuse circuit. And then this wire from here, it goes to the MCB box. So that's a miniature circuit breaker box. So basically it works automatically. Whenever there is a surge, it goes down, trips down. We have to again put it up manually for the circuit to work. It's basically meant for saving the components. So our main fuse, that's been damaged and we need to replace it. So we have to first unscrew it. Now we have to make a lot of precaution here, because remember that this wire coming from the left, that's carrying the current, because that's coming out of the electric meter. And first of all, the neighborhood electricity should be shut down before doing it. And if it's not possible, then a trained electrician see this fuse, it's been damaged. It's aluminium material and it's been damaged. It's the side on which the mains current enters, so might be because of a surge or fluctuation it has damaged. Now, as I was saying, that the wire which is coming out of the electric meter is carrying the current. So while handling it, you have to be very cautious. A common layman might get electrocuted. So it has to be dealt with a trained electrician or a certified electrician. When this wire is carrying current on the left, you can see the green light blinking over the meter. It means the live current is there. So this wire is carrying a live current. So extra precaution has to be taken while handling it. There should be no earthing, shoes should be on, covered up pliers should be used just like this in case, because this wire is actually carrying current. Well, the best option is always to shut down the main source line in your neighborhood before working. But yes, all the time, and sometimes it's not possible. Then a trained electrician works on this kind of situation. So finally we're gonna screw the fuse on the board. Now we have to screw up the wires. So that's the live wire which we are working. We screwed it, and now the other side of the wire we're gonna put it on the right side of the master fuse. That means the output of the master fuse. So then this completes or acts as a bridge, a fuse circuit breaker bridge, just in case there is a surge or fluctuation in current. It will break the circuit, electric circuit, and save the appliances in the home. So now we're gonna screw it firmly so that the wires get fixed. That's the live one, and now we're gonna put the head of the fuse to complete the fuse circuit. Install it properly, and here we go. So we are all good. Good job.